In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a photo background in CapCut on your PC, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. This is a great trick if you want to make your photo look cleaner, more professional, or just more creative by placing it over a new image or video background. Whether you're making content for YouTube, social media, thumbnails, or personal projects, this method can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the app loads, look for the New Project option and click it. This will take you into a fresh editing workspace where you can start building your new project from scratch. If you've never used CapCut before, don't worry. This process is very straightforward and you'll be able to follow along easily. Next, you need to import the photo you want to edit. Click the Import option and choose the image from your computer. After the photo appears in your media bin, drag it down to the timeline. The timeline is where you'll make all of your main edits, so make sure the photo is placed there before moving on. Now click on the photo in the timeline so it becomes selected. This is important because CapCut only shows certain editing tools when the correct clip or image is highlighted. Once the photo is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. In that panel, find the Remove BG option. This is the background removal tool you'll use to separate the subject from the original background. When you open Remove BG, you should see an auto removal option. Turn this on and let CapCut process the image. Depending on the size and complexity of the photo, it may take a few seconds. CapCut will automatically detect the subject and remove the background for you. If the image has a clear subject and good contrast, the result usually looks very clean. After the background is removed, the next step is to add your new background. Click Import again and choose the image or video you want to use as the replacement background. This could be a plain color, a landscape, a city scene, a textured backdrop, or even a moving video background if you want a more dynamic look. Once your new background is imported, drag it onto a track below the cutout photo in the timeline. This part is very important because the background needs to sit underneath the edited photo layer. If it is placed above the photo, it will cover the subject instead of appearing behind it. So always make sure the cutout photo stays on the top track and the new background stays on the layer below. At this point, you should see your photo placed over the new background. You can now play the timeline and preview how everything looks together. If needed, you can resize, reposition, or adjust the layers until the composition looks just right. This is where you can get creative and make the scene match the style you want. And that's it. You've now changed the photo background in CapCut on your PC. It's a quick and easy process once you know where to find the Remove BG tool and how to layer everything correctly. This technique is perfect for edits, thumbnails, content creation, and clean visual designs. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.